Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. I am going to show you how to do an acrylic marble ombre today. And of course, we always going to be here to share some life experience about the nail industry, and we're going to talk about bad customers. I know as a nail technician, we always going to face bad customers. But how are we going to deal with bad customers? Are we going to hate our job? Are we going to beat ourselves up? Or are we just going to give up because we're dealing with bad customers? And we're going to be meeting bad customer in all different experience of our nail career. When you first starting out, you're new, you don't have that experience, you are trying to improve your craft, and all of a sudden you got a client in front of you who is very picky, who nitpicks at everything, who tells you what to do, and they can tell that you're a beginner. Those clients right there, high chance they're not going to come back because you're new and they didn't like your work. But if they do come back, they're giving you an opportunity. The clients that are giving you the opportunity, even though you know you are trying your best on them, those are the best clients, because those clients can see it in your eyes that you're trying your best. And when clients can feel and they can see that you're giving it your best, they appreciate that. So those are the clients that we're not going to talk about, because we appreciate those clients. But now we got the bad clients, okay? If the client doesn't come back to you because of your work, because you're new, then fine. Move on to another client, okay? Now let's take it to another step. Let's talk about, let's say you good, you got your craft going, you've been doing nails for at least a couple of years, and you still deal with bad clients, okay? And there's a lot of variety of bad clients out there. And let's break it down. There's all kind of clients in the nail industry. You're going to meet clients who are young. And you got to understand, as a nail technician, each phase of your clients has a different type of financial status. They have different type of problems they deal with. And sometimes clients even take their problem to us and take it out on us Nailtech. And all we want to do is pretty nails. Why can't we just do some pretty nails without them getting mad at us or trying to take their negativity to us? You know what I mean? So now, we got the young clients. They're young. Of course, they don't have that much money. Sometimes they get a little bit of allowance. They get their nails done. Those are the not bad clients. Those are the easy, fun way for you as a nail tech to gain experience. Great. Now, as the clients gets older, you're looking at in the 20s. The thing about clients that are in the 20s, they are semi-picky, is because they already know what they want, okay? They have experienced a lot of bad nail tech when they were in their late teens. Now they're in their 20s, they kind of know, look, I want a certain design, I want a certain shape. Those are great. Those, they won't judge you. Those clients will try to give you opportunity to grow. But are those the client are going to be consistently coming back to you? Yes and no. I have had clients in their 20s. They will come to me like maybe 6-7 times. And after that 6-7 times, you don't see them anymore. Why? Because when they're in their 20s, they're going to have a lot of things going on with their life. They might get engaged. They might have a different job. They might not even have a job. And they might move to a different location because they want to grow their life. You might lose a customer because of that. But that's still not considered bad clients. Those are just life happen events that Nailtech has to move on. Now, you're looking at people in the 30s, okay? Now you got clients are in the 30s. Now those are the one that scares me a little bit. Yes, I said it. Those are the one that scares me a little bit, because they think, because they overcome the 20, they work hard, they figure out what they want in their life, they kind of have their career going, but now they have expectation. They want you to be that nail tech that has to be perfect in their eyes. And what is the perfect nail tech? I don't really know, because me as a nail tech, when I go to work, I just give it my best. And if I give it my best, that's me as a nail tech. Every nail tech is different. But when you got clients dealing in the 30s, they got a lot of issues, y'all. A lot of times You get clients who are just developing their career in their 30s. They just got married. They just have kids. There's a lot of things in their head going on. But with all that accomplishment that these clients are having, kids, marry, career-wise, now they set their standard a little higher. So when they come in and get serviced by you, they're not just looking at your craft. They're also looking at the way you dress, the way you present yourself, the way you talk to them. And I'm going to keep it real with y'all. You're going to run into some racist client. And that's the sad part about this industry. Okay? There are so many, and I'm not just talking about white folks. I'm not talking about black folks. I'm talking about every race. There's racism in every single race. Like, for example, Asian clients. If you have an Asian client, how rare it is that you see an Asian client go to a black nail tech. A lot of times the Asian client's gonna go to an Asian nail tech, okay? That's just an example, y'all. That's just an example. So it is sad the fact that we are being judged beyond our skill set as a nail technician. And you don't want that to happen because you want to go to work positive, bringing every client in. You don't judge a client. See, as a nail tech, we are not allowed to judge any client. But as a nail tech, the clients have a tendency to judge us on how we are. As perfectionist as I am, y'all, I still lose client. And that is a normal thing, okay? I believe that as a nail technician, we have to be comfortable of losing client. We cannot be that kind of nail tech where you beat yourself up just because you lose a client. No. If you lose a client, you go find another client to replace that client. That's what you do as a nail technician. It's an every single day battle to grow your financial, okay? Because if you beat yourself up over clients not liking you or because they're judging you or because the way you dress, the way your hair looks, hey, you don't need that client, okay? There's clients for every nail tech in this industry. I don't want the bad clients. I'm at the age where in my life, I don't want to deal with bullshit. I don't want to babysit the client. Look, you want my service, you want my work, book an appointment and come see me and I'll give you the best service. That is my standard and I stay by it, okay? I do not accept attitude clients, okay? I will fire a client in a heartbeat, okay? And don't be afraid to fire clients because why would you keep a nasty, mean client? And every time you see her, you're not happy. You're just trying to do the job and get paid. That's not why you want to be a nail tech. No way, Jose. You want to be a nail tech because you enjoy what you do. You enjoy creating beautiful art on people's nails. You enjoy lifting up people's self-esteem when you create these beautiful set of nails. That is what nail tech wants to do to the clients. And the clients out there, you got the clients who's in the 40s. Now, the clients who are in the 40s, you know, they are a little bit nicer now because they have been through the 30s and they can't find any nail tech that can please them. So now they lower their standards. And majority of the clients who are in the 40s went through a divorce looking for a boyfriend. So their life is kind of a hot mess. So they won't even give you no attitude. They just happy that you try and take care of them because all the men that they dated did not take care of them. So they go to their nail tech and the nail tech will take care of them. That's why I love having clients that are age of the 40. Now, as the client gets older, they get a little bit easier. But it just depends on the clients again. I'm not judging the clients by their age, but as a nail tech, you do have to understand each phase of the age has different type of personality. And you as a nail tech kind of have to be smart about that, okay? Like if you're talking to a young client who are in the 20s, you're not going to talk about divorce because they barely start their life. Why would they go divorce? That's what I'm trying to say. And then when you got clients in the 40s and the 50s, you know, they always got some relationship problems. So you kind of have to know how to connect with the clients. And you as a nail tech, understanding how to connect with the client, but the client still do not connect with you is not your problem, boo. It is their problem, okay? There are clients out there, they will never, ever have a loyal nail tech. I'm just going to say it right now. There are a lot of clients out there who go from one salon to another salon to another salon. You know why? Because every single nail tech knows that client and they don't want her. So now her dumb ass has to go search for a new nail tech all the time and stress their goddamn life out. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Don't beat yourself up if you have a bad client, okay? And yes, you can fire a client. And let me tell you how you fire a client. You just let them know that you ain't wanting to do their nails ever again. And that's what I did to a girl. Let me tell you how I fire a client. I want to break it down to you. I had this one client. I took care of her 5 times. Every single time she comes in, she brings like 10,000s of different type of pictures, okay? But here's the problem. I don't have a problem people showing me thousands of pictures of the design that they want. The problem that I have is that she changes her mind in the middle of the service. If y'all ass decide to change your mind in the middle of the service, I'm going to make sure I'm going to fire your ass after the service. Why? How the hell you going to expect me to change a different color acrylic when that color acrylic is already on? How are you going to make me rewind a couple steps just to please your ass when you and I already confirmed what design we want? But you will face that, okay? So that is how I fired the client, because I cannot deal with that. That's too stressful, because 5 times doing service on her and she's doing that every single time? Come on, y'all. I only have patience so much that I have to let you go. And another reason why you might lose a client. And this is a simple reason, but it's true. They ain't got the money, y'all. There's so many clients who wants to look good, but they don't have the money, okay? Nail is a luxurious thing. It's not a necessity. Your ass don't have to wear nails if you don't want to. It's not a life and death situation. But if you as a client complaining about the price of a nail technician, then you shouldn't even get your nails done. Because do you want me to go to your company and say, hey, can you go ahead and not give this client a raise? Or can you go ahead and just keep her at a minimum wage for the next 5 years? You don't even like that. So why do you complain about Nailtech charging too much? So that's how you lose a client, y'all. In the nail industry, you will lose a client because of money, okay? So now, you can also lose the client because of the salon atmosphere. I mean, there's so many reasons why you can lose a client. But those are the clients that we don't want in the nail industry. We want the client who understand. Like when my client walks in, they see me sweating, tired. They be like, man, you want to take a break? You want to have some lunch? You want to eat some, you want a coffee, man? Now, those are the badass motherfucking clients. You know what I'm saying? Now, you got the client who, this is a red flag. I'm going to give you a couple red flag clients right here. When the moment they sit in the chair, they be like, so how long you been doing nails? I'm very picky, but I trust you. I just want to let you know, I had this girl did my nails and I didn't like her. And I had this other nail tech did my nail, I didn't like him. You see what I'm saying? Those are red flags, y'all. When you have a client who sits in front of you and start complaining about other nail tech and about all their experience and how bad it was, what makes you think you're going to be that nail tech who's going to please them? Hell nah. 9 out of 10, those of the client never comes back, y'all. Because they are never satisfied. And you know why they're not satisfied with your work? Because they're not happy with themselves, okay? They are miserable. They have a lot of shit going on in their head, okay? And then they need somebody to hear them out. So they go to a nail tech and they vent about it. And then your ass is taking home all their bullshit story and they never show up. Because God only knows why they did not show up on their next appointment. But that's my point, y'all. So I just want to sum everything up. Is that don't ever beat yourself up if you have a bad client. Keep pushing yourself. Because there's always somebody out there who's going to love you for who you are. They're going to love you for what you do. And they're going to appreciate you. And they're going to pay you as much as they can because they love you that much. There's clients like that, okay? Take time and seek for those clients. Take time and build your craft. Take time to educate the clients, okay? Don't worry about the way you look, what color you are, because, bro, I don't even look that good. But you know what? In my heart, I am 100% confident about myself, and because I'm truly confident in myself, everything looks good on me. You know what I'm saying? So don't beat yourself up if you lose a client. And by far right now, if you are enjoying this conversation and watching my tutorial, thank you so much and give me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know what kind of product that I use and where I get them, it's all in the description, y'all. It's all in the description for you to enjoy. Click on it and go from there. But I'm telling you, anything I share with you is through my life experience. I've been doing this for 20 years. I meet all kind of clients, y'all. I meet the good one, the bad one. But overall, I'm at the point in my life, look, if I don't see you, I'm okay with it. I'm always going to find another client. So as a nail technician, you got to continue to promote yourself. As a nail technician, you got to keep looking forward to another day and another day. Don't ever beat yourself up if you feel like you're having a slow moment. Even till today, I have slow moment, okay? But I'm not going to let that slow moment make me hate my job or make me think twice about my career, because that's what the nail industry do. The moment that week is slow, you feel like that is it. This is going to be forever. No, it's not, hun. It's not going to be forever. The client's going to find you and they're going to come up to you and ask for your service. But let's not let those clients control you. You are the nail technician. You are the professional. They come to you for a reason. What tripped me out is that when you go get service done at a car shop, you don't question the guy to fix your car. When you go get your dentist, your teeth done, you don't question the dentist. When you go to the doctor, you don't question the doctor. But then when you go get your nails done, you question the nail tech. Like, what the hell is that, man? Why do we always get the double-ended sword? We trying to please the customer, and here they are trying to pick at our ass about everything we do. So don't let that beat you up, okay? Don't ever let them beat you up. But this is how you do a marble ombre, y'all. I'm sorry that I did not talk about no marble ombre, but as y'all can see how I did it, just copy what I say. But the main thing I want y'all to take from this video is that if you ever have a bad client, don't let the bad clients beat you down, okay? There's going to be a lot of clients for you out there. Just keep driving yourself forward, okay? Don't drive backwards, okay? And don't bend over for the client. Look, I love my clients. I give my clients everything they want. But there's a limit. Like, if you start giving me attitude, I'm going to tell you straight out. I'm like, look, and I'm going to explain to you. So don't be afraid. Defend yourself with knowledge. Don't defend yourself with attitude. Does that make sense? When you are dealing with customers, don't defend yourself with attitude. That's just going to blow things up. But educate the clients. Because the majority of the time, clients that comes into the get the nails done, they're not educated in the nail industry. They just want to see the final result. And what's the final result? They just want some beautiful nails, some designs that they ask for. That's it. That's how simple it is. But I just want to let you know, some clients, you just can't please them all. You just cannot please everyone. Because if you can please everyone, we wouldn't have this conversation, right? Why would we have this conversation if everyone we do is pleased? No, we ain't. So, you know, take my advice for it. Do your thing. Be positive. Always seeking for new clients. Okay? Even if you have a strong clientele, still seek for new clients. I can't stand when Nailtech say, oh, I'm overbooked. There's no such thing as overbooked unless you're only working like 2 days a week. Okay? There are 7 days out of the week. And if you're overbooked and you're working like from 9 in the morning to 9 p.m., then you're good. But pretty much that's it, y'all. I just want to give you guys some lifting. Have a good day, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone.